It was a tremendous challenge. The construction of an expressway longer than 18 kilometers in length, traversing vast, barren waters. With a large tidal difference of more than 9 meters and uncompromising violent winds, there would be no room for error for this new cutting-edge technology. It was a miraculous challenge created by a dauntless will, allowing Korea to shine and opening a new window for the hub of Northeast Asia in the 21st century. The state-of-the-art gateway, Incheon Bridge, integrating the land, air, and sea. A new chapter in history has now begun. Total length, 18.4 kilometers. Height of the main tower, 238 meters. Total cost, 2.4 trillion won. Construction period, 4 years and 4 months. Utilizing 2 million man-days. A world-renowned long-span bridge project, Incheon Bridge. Linking Incheon International Airport on Yeongjeon Island with New Songdo City. Incheon Bridge's main section has a cable-stayed structure and encompasses both the marine sector and the ground sector. The 1.48 kilometer long cable-stayed section, which represents the Incheon Bridge, has a main span reaching 800 meters, the 5th longest in the world at the time of completion. With the main tower reaching 238 meters high, it is similar to the 63 building in Namsan in Seoul. The bridge sections on land were aesthetically and technically built using the latest construction method, making it a diverse bridge. The hybrid half-through arch bridge was configured to have a futuristic appeal. The pre-stressed concrete box girder bridge with FRP struts has simpler spans and piers. The butterfly-shaped cable-stayed bridge symbolizes New Songdo City. The extra-dose bridge focuses on symmetry and scenery. All these constitute a diverse Incheon Bridge, which has a combination of technology and aesthetics, and is easily an exhibition of a state-of-the-art bridge. In today's world of skyscrapers and vast bridges, the country entered into a life-or-death competition with this large-scale construction project. In particular, the construction of this long-span bridge, with its high technology and great value-added innovation, anticipates to lead the next generation towards the status of a developed country. In 2005, Korea entered into construction of the Incheon Bridge. And the bridge received great attention from bridge specialists as well as notable people around the world. At the time, construction of long-span bridges was limited to only a number of advanced countries. In 2005, a British construction magazine selected the dynamic bridge to be one of the 10 wonders of the construction world. That same year, the financial magazine Euromoney presented it with the PF Award for the best traffic infrastructure in the Asia-Pacific area. Then in 2007, the construction magazine ENR named it one of the top newsmakers. Its state-of-the-art technology was known to the world. The successful construction of Incheon Bridge was due to a quick and safe vanguard method of construction. A combination of the fervent passion of the engineers, along with Korea's extensive experience and skills in construction, and the active support from the government, made this possible. Incheon Bridge was built by experimenting with a different method rather than using the existing methods of construction. First, the fast-track method was utilized. The conventional method consisted of first completing the design followed by construction. Breaking from this, design and construction were carried out simultaneously. While this breakthrough reduced the total construction time, it also had the advantage of utilizing the latest method and applying it to the design. Even the bridge's foundation is different from other bridges. When erecting the foundation for a cable-stayed bridge, the area is usually blocked off, extracting the water out before beginning to build. However, the Incheon Bridge was built using large diameter drilled shafts to secure the foundation at the bottom of the sea. In order to ensure the safety of this method, the foundation underwent a loading test using 30,000 tons of weight. This is the same weight as having 77 Boeing 747s taking off simultaneously. Even for constructing the spans of the bridge, a high-technology method of construction emerged for the first time in the country. In the FSLM method, 50-meter-long decks were initially precasted off-site, and after being transported, a Goliath floating crane was used to load it onto a specially designed large carrier to complete the transport. A process which took 30 days with the conventional method was completed in only 3 days. The PFCM method was used to connect the approach sections to the cable-stayed section, and by using a derrick crane, the precasted decks were counterbalanced. This method accurately estimates the bridge's shape, and the difficulties in creating the spans were a skill in itself. In addition, automated rebar cage fabrication was utilized for the nation's first large-scale pile. And in order to ensure precision and safety for the main tower, auto-climbing system former was utilized to reduce construction time as well as any errors. Connecting Pyeongtaek Gyeonggi-do and Dongjin Chungnam, the 7.3-kilometer-long Sohae Bridge took 7 years to complete. In comparison, the 18.4-kilometer-long Incheon Bridge is nearly 3 times longer with more advanced technology. It took only 4 years and 4 months to complete, showing astonishing results in the reduction of construction time. This is 4 times faster in comparison to the Sohae Bridge. The Incheon Bridge was not only built with high technology, but in order to ensure the safety of the bridge, it underwent a series of advanced experiments and analysis processes. Being above the water leaves the Incheon Bridge vulnerable to strong winds. To overcome this, it withstood a critical velocity of 72 meters per second of powerful winds through the wind load tests, as well as an earthquake intensity of 7, showing its durability. In addition, at the time of completion, a dolphin-shaped ship impact protection system was created on a global scale near the bridge to ensure absolute bridge and vessel protection. The ship impact facility underwent over 70,000 high-tech simulations, and even with a head-on collision with a 100,000-ton vessel, the bridge was designed to ensure the safety of both the bridge and the vessel. As a result, the Incheon Bridge, along with its marvelous high technology and the highest level of safety, is being rated the latest workmanship in civil engineering technology. The state-of-the-art Incheon Bridge is receiving attention as the core of the Incheon Free Economic Zone and the hub of Northeast Asia in the 21st century. Connecting to the 2nd and 3rd Gyeongmyeon expressways, Incheon Bridge has improved the traffic flow for southern Seoul and the greater metropolitan area, along with a 40-minute reduction in traffic time from Songdo to Incheon International Airport, resulting in an annual savings of 480 billion won in logistics costs. 5 million pine trees have been planted, which will reduce 50,000 tons of carbon dioxide and pollutants yearly, and aims to greatly contribute to Koyard green growth. In addition, the bridge leaves a lasting impression on the various foreigners who travel through Incheon Airport and Incheon Port by symbolizing Korea's state-of-the-art technology. During the past 40 years, the tireless efforts of the Korea Expressway Corporation have focused on creating a bright future for Korea. Beginning with the construction of the Gyeongbu Expressway, which represents Korea's economic development, the Korea Expressway Corporation has opened the door for the next generation with its 3,000-kilometer expressway, and is using the experience and skills obtained through the successful construction of the Incheon Bridge as a backdrop to create a new history for Korea's bridges and expressways. Through research on long-span bridges and on ways to accelerate construction, along with striving to create a smart highway system, utmost efforts are being exerted to open an abundant future for Korea. By uniting the land and the sea together with the heavens, and by creating a new world, the marvelous Incheon Bridge. The Incheon Bridge is connecting Korea to the world through its grandeur and opening a new window of hope for the next generation.